Feasibility analysis. Feasibility analysis is the process of evaluating a proposed project or idea to determine its practicality, viability, and potential for success. It serves as a decision-making tool that helps organizations assess whether the initiative is worth pursuing, given the resources, constraints, and expected benefits. By examining multiple dimensions, such as technical, financial, legal, and operational factors, it provides a comprehensive understanding of the challenges and opportunities involved. The purpose of feasibility analysis is not only to identify whether a project is possible but also to highlight risks and alternative approaches, enabling informed decisions. It is typically conducted during the planning phase of a project to minimize uncertainties, optimize resource allocation, and increase the likelihood of achieving desired outcomes. Feasibility analysis is widely used across industries, whether for launching a new product, implementing a software system, or expanding into a new market. By systematically evaluating key factors, it ensures that projects align with organizational goals and are both practical and sustainable in execution. Technical feasibility. Technical feasibility examines whether the technology, expertise, and resources required to implement the project are available and adequate. It evaluates if the organization has the necessary infrastructure, such as hardware, software, and skilled personnel, to execute the project. This involves analyzing the compatibility of existing systems with the proposed solution and identifying gaps that might require additional investment or training. For instance, in a software development project, technical feasibility would assess whether the team is proficient in the programming language or framework required and if the available servers can handle the system's load. It may also consider future scalability and maintenance challenges. Economic feasibility. This component focuses on the financial viability of the project by examining costs, benefits, and potential profitability. Economic feasibility considers both direct and indirect costs, including resources, labor, technology, and potential risks. It also forecasts expected revenues, savings, or other financial benefits. Methods like cost-benefit analysis, break-even analysis, and return on investment are often used. For example, before launching a new product, a company might assess the manufacturing cost, marketing budget, and predicted sales revenue to determine if the project is worthwhile. Projects with excessive costs or marginal profits may be reconsidered or shelved. Legal feasibility. Legal feasibility ensures that the project complies with all applicable laws, regulations, and contractual obligations. This includes industry-specific regulations, environmental laws, intellectual property rights, labor laws, and data protection regulations. For example, a healthcare organization implementing a new patient management system would need to ensure compliance with health data privacy regulations like HIPAA in the United States. Legal feasibility may also involve verifying whether appropriate licenses and permits can be obtained and identifying potential liabilities that could arise from the project. Operational feasibility. Operational feasibility determines whether the project aligns with the organization's goals, resources, and processes. It evaluates the readiness of the team, stakeholders, and systems to support the project's implementation. For instance, introducing a new customer relationship management system requires evaluating whether employees can adapt to the change and if the new system integrates well with existing workflows. This step also considers user acceptance, as resistance to change or lack of stakeholder buy-in can hinder success. Operational feasibility is critical in ensuring smooth adoption and ongoing functionality. Schedule feasibility. Schedule feasibility assesses whether the project can be completed within the proposed timeline. It examines factors like project complexity, resource availability, and potential delays due to unforeseen circumstances. This is especially important for time-sensitive projects, such as product launches or regulatory compliance deadlines. For instance, launching a new smartphone model before a major holiday season would require strict adherence to the production schedule. Delays in any phase, such as design, manufacturing, or marketing, could result in missed opportunities and financial losses. Schedule feasibility helps identify potential bottlenecks and ensures realistic timelines are set. Market feasibility. Market feasibility evaluates whether there is sufficient demand for the proposed product, service, or initiative. It involves analyzing the target audience, market trends, competitors, and pricing strategies. For example, before launching a new line of eco-friendly packaging, a company might conduct market research to understand consumer preferences, competitive offerings, and willingness to pay a premium for sustainable options. This step may also include a SWOT analysis to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in the market. A positive market feasibility outcome indicates a strong potential for success in capturing market share.